Hi everyone, welcome to PyNet Labs Switch and Win the finale round. We have attendees Neeraj and Sharanjeet. Guys, please accept the request for joining as panelists so that you guys can turn your cameras on and unmute yourself. All right, I hope I am audible and clearly visible to all of you. I would request you
Yes, you
all
are visible.
to, yeah, please turn your cameras on and let's get to know each other. So, good evening, everyone. Welcome to the grand finale of Switch and Win, the quiz by PyNet Labs. And my name is Chirag, and I can't simply tell you how excited I am for this particular
Recording in
session
progress.
and to know who are going to be the final winners of our this amazing competition, right? So before we begin, I just want to say that first of all, uh, this is our first time hosting something like this. So if I make some mistakes today, I sincerely apologize in advance. We all are in a learning process, and in the coming months, we are still going to have these quizzes. So we'll keep on improving ourselves, we'll keep on making things better. So just in case I make some mistakes, so I'm sorry in advance, right? So, talking about the quiz now, let's understand what we have done to reach to this particular position. So, this quiz was Switch and Win, and this quiz is a monthly quiz, right? It's a monthly challenge that will happen every every time at the end of the month, and there will be multiple levels of quizzes where you have to compete with the other fellow participants to get into the grand finale of that month. Today we have joined for the grand finale of January month, and similarly there will be quizzes every month. There will be quiz in Feb, then in March, then so on till December. Every month there will be three winners, and combinedly these 36 winners of all the 12 months will compete with each other in January 2026, where the prize pool is going to be much more higher and more exciting goodies will be introduced, right? So you are not just winning in the monthly quizzes, but if you compete well, if you, let's say, compete every month and qualify, get into the top three winners of a month, then you also get a chance to win the mega finale round, which will happen in the first week of January in 2026. We got more than 500 participants for the month January in the first round. They all competed, they all showcased their networking skills, and I would highly appreciate everyone who participated in this quest. You are not just kind of testing your knowledge, but you are also uh, looking forward to some great opportunities where you will be recognized, where you will be definitely getting some prizes as well, right? So, good job if you participated, first of all, right? Then, out of those 500 participants, we tested everyone with certain questions on the basis of speed, accuracy, and I would say honesty. So we also track your browsing activities during the quiz. So if you are switching windows, if you are searching something, so we know that. So on the basis of that, we qualified somewhere around 45 to 50 participants in the round two. Out of them, we have got you six, which are the finalists today. Today also we'll have a quick set of questions. I'll ask you some questions. You guys are supposed to answer them, and whosoever will answer the questions accurately and with a better speed, that's gonna win the challenge today. So we'll have three winners. We'll have the winner winning the first prize, then second prize, then the third prize. But we also have something for the others who have participated and have secured their place in the top 10. So need not to worry about that. You all are going to win today. Something, right? Today, we first of all are going to introduce ourselves. I'd like to ask all of my six finalists to keep their cameras on, and one by one, as I take your name, please unmute yourself and tell us about yourself. Where do you work? What is your working experience, or anything that you would like to mention? Okay, so let's introduce. First of all, we have Mr. Akash Nigam. Hi, Akash.
Hi, Chirag, am I audible?
Yes, can you be a little loud,
Hello.
please?
Yeah, am I audible now?
Yeah, much better.
Hello. Hi, everyone. Very good evening. This is Akash. I'm into the trading field itself from past 4
Sorry,
years.
Akash. Can you bring your mic
Like
closer?
I've been certified for. Is it fine now?
Yes, better.
Hello. So, hi guys, this is Akash. And I've been into the trading domain for past 4 years from 2020 itself. I've been learning Cisco's code release only. So, just as I was following your test
Sorry,
course,
Akash.
so
We
I
are,
think
I
I
guess,
was
is it just me or anyone else can hear Akash?
Hello,
Yeah, when you bring
hello.
it closer, it becomes much clear.
Okay, so I'll hold it like this. I'm
Yep,
audible properly
thanks.
now.
Yep.
So like I've been following Chirag over LinkedIn to his CCI journey. That was a very intrigue for me also. And some days my dream was also to like appear for the labs and go for that particular lab exam and go through. But I'll be going for the enterprise one. So yeah, that's my dream, and that's why I've been following this particular competition.
Amazing. Glad to know that. Thank you, Akash. Then next we have Mr. Rakesh.
First of all, good evening to all. I am
Hello.
Rakesh Patil from Maharashtra, and I am a currently student of last year engineering, electronics and telecommunication branch. And according to my journey to learning the CCN and CCNP concepts, now starting, and I attempted this quiz for testing the knowledge of mine, how I am good in it. Thank you.
Great. Thanks, Akash. Sorry, thanks, Rakesh. Then we have Mr. Ravi.
Yes.
Hi, Ravi. Can you hear us? Ravi, you are not audible. Try to
Hello,
check your mic.
hello, I am audible.
Yes, you are audible now.
Hello, yeah. First of all of the good evening. My name is David Kumar. I am basically from Bihar. I have 1 point approx 2 year experience as senior technical support engineer. Now pursuing MCA from MIT University in final year. And now I recently joined the PyNet Labs job guarantee program. Sir.
Oh, that's amazing. So Ravi is one of our student
That's it.
and great to see you here in the finalist. Then we have Mr. Neeraj. Hi, Neeraj.
Hello,
Yeah,
hello, good evening all. My name is Dheeraj Verma. I'm currently from Delhi. I'm currently working as a network engineer in Wipro, and I recently joined the PyNet Lab to enhance my skill. Recently, I have joined this course. So,
okay.
as we can say, I'm the student of PyNet Labs.
Amazing. Perfect. Great. So we have Mr. Neeraj with us. Then we have Sharanjeet with us. Hi,
Yeah,
Sharanjeet. Can you also turn your camera on?
yes.
Yeah.
So I hope I'm audible and
Yes, you are.
visible too.
Yes.
Okay, so hi Chirag, hi all. I am Sanjeev Kumar, and I also followed up this program. I got link from Telegram. So basically, I'm working as a network engineer, and I have total experience of more than 3 years. I work with router, switch, firewall, and all the things. So okay, that's all.
Thank you. Thank you,
Thank you.
Sharanjeet. Then we have Salman with us.
Yeah, hi Chirag. My name is Salman, and I am from Delhi.
Okay.
And currently, I'm working in Truecom Networks as a network engineer, network engineer. And total, I have 7 years of experience in routing, switching, and security.
Great. Thank you, Salman.
Uh,
So far we have known the top six finalists, and along with them, we also have the other four finalists that have been able to secure their position in top 10. Like we promised earlier, we are going to provide prizes to all the top 10 finalists. To the top six, we will be having a quick round of questions and we'll try to figure out who wins the first, second, and third prize. And then we'll also be getting to acknowledge our other top performers later in the session, right? So, first of all, I would really appreciate all of you for competing in this and would like to really clap for you all that you competed so well to get into the panel of finalists, right? And I would again like to tell you what you all have competed for and what you are going to get today, right? So let's understand the prizes and the rewards that you will be getting after competing today. The first prize for the winner today is going to be a 10,000 cash reward with a 30% discount on PyNet Lab courses, which is going to be up to 10,000 again, and free access to CCNA 200 301 course, Azure Fundamentals AZ900, as well as CEH version 12 cybersecurity course. So the first prize winner again is going to get 10,000 in cash, 30% discount up to 10,000 rupees on our PyNet Labs courses, and then free access to CCNA, to Azure Fundamentals, and to CEH version 12. Then similarly, the second prize winner is going to get 7,000 as a cash prize, 20% discount on our PyNet Labs courses, which is again going to be up to 10,000 rupees off, and the free access to all the three courses that I mentioned, CCNA, Azure Fundamentals, as well as CEH version 12. The third prize winner also is winning a cash prize of 3,000, a discount, 10% discount on PyNet Labs courses up to 10,000 rupees off, and then the free access to all the three courses, CCNA, Azure Fundamentals, and CEH version 12. So that's what you are going to compete for today, and this will be we will figure that out who goes to win the first prize, second prize, third prize through some more questions that we are going to ask you today, right? Let's begin the final round, and at the end, after announcing the winners, I'll also let you know what are you going to win if you have secured the position number 4th to the position number 10th. You also are going to win something, so stay tuned and let's understand what we are going to get at that time, right? Let's begin the final round. Now it's time for the final moment that you all must be waiting for, the final question and answer round. We have the 6 finalists today in front of us. We'll be asking some questions to you. I'll be asking you some questions to find out the 3 top winners. So are you guys ready? Yes. All right. So let's understand a couple of rules and then
Yes.
it's good to begin with the questions. I am going to read a question and will read the options of it, and the same will be entered in the Zoom chat. Okay. You are not supposed to unmute yourself till the time I don't call your name. How will you say that you know the answer? By reacting the hand raise in the Zoom meeting. So you must be seeing below in the panel itself a hand raise option. Do you see that? So if you click on that, I'll be able to see that you have raised your hand.
I don't see that.
It must be there somewhere around the mic button, mute, unmute button. You must be seeing a reaction, raise hand.
Yeah, this is reaction. Okay.
Right? You will find raise hand there. So if you quickly, all of you, if you quickly want to try to raise your hands, you can do it once. I can see your hands. Yeah. Perfect.
There is reaction. There is reaction, but no raise hand.
Try to look for it, Sharanjeet. Guys, keep
Actually,
your
I
hands
joined.
raised once. Let's quickly test it. Salman, Rakesh, everyone, please raise your hands. Sharanjeet, do you find the reaction button?
So is some okay? Raise hand. Yeah,
Yeah.
got it.
Keep your hands raised once.
Yeah.
I'll explain the rules and then I'll ask you to lower it down. Neeraj, Rakesh, please everyone raise your hands. Rakesh, Salman, please raise your hands. Salman, I don't see your hand. Can you raise the hand, please? Perfect. So now you all have raised the hand, but the very first hand was raised by Ravi. So I know that Ravi was the first person to react. Although right now it's just an example, but this is how I will understand that who has raised it first, right? So I will give the first chance to answer the question to Ravi, and you have to wait for me to ask you guys to unmute. I am repeating, if you unmute in between and say the answer, I will not count it, and that point will go wasted, right? So make sure you listen to the question, you listen to the options. I will ask you to raise your hands in 3, 2, 1, then only raise your hand. Please don't do it before. I will not count it. Please understand the rules very carefully. I will read the question, I will read the options, then I'll say raise your hand in 3, 2, 1. Then you are supposed to raise the hand. Whosoever will raise the hand first will get the first chance to answer the question. So are we all good to begin the quiz? Are we all clear first of all?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Cool
Yes.
then.
Yes, sir.
Awesome. I would request you all to stay on mute, and I am going to read the very first question. I'll read the options. I'll ask you to raise your hands in 3, 2, 1. Then only raise the hand. So, what range of addresses can be used in the first octet of a class B network address? Option number 1, 1 to 126. Option number 2, 1 to 127. Option number 3, 128 to 190. Option number D, 128 to 191. Please raise your hands in 3, 2, 1. Okay, Sharanjeet, please unmute yourself and let us know what is the correct answer.
The correct answer was D. 127 to 191.
127 to 191. Are you sure?
Yeah. Yeah, right.
No, that's not correct. The option number D was 128 to 191. So do you think it is 128 to 191 or 127 to 191?
No, 127 to 191.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Sharanjeet. That's not correct. So next we have Ravi. Ravi, would you like to answer this?
Yeah, 128 to 191.
That's the correct one. So the actual range for class B begins from 128. You missed it by 1. So it's 128 to 191. That was the first question. No worries. Sharanjeet, we still have many more questions. I'll give you more chances, right? Please lower your hands down and let's move to the next one. Again, listen to the question, listen to the options. When I say raise your hands in 3, 2, 1, then only raise your hand. Which password is automatically encrypted when it is created? Line VTY password, auxiliary password, console password, or enable secret password? Please don't raise your hands until I don't ask you for, right? Rakesh, please lower the hand. Neeraj, yeah. Now, raise your hands in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we have the first hand from Ravi. Ravi, would you like to answer this?
Enable secret password, sir.
Enable secret password. That's the correct
Hello.
one. So the password which get automatically encrypted is enable secret password. All right, lower down the hands.
Enable.
Let's move to the third one. The IP address has dash number of bits and the MAC address has dash number of bits. The options are 64 in IP, 32 in MAC, 32 in IP, 48 in MAC, 128 in IP, 256 in MAC, 48 in IP, and 32 in MAC. I'm putting it in the chat, then I'll give you 3 to 1 to raise the hands. Raise your hands in 3, 2, 1. We got the first hand from Akash. Yes, Akash. Akash, would you like to answer this question? Okay, we have got the reply in the chat, option B, which means 32 bits in the IP address and 48 bits in the MAC address, which is very correct. Good job. Let's move to the next one, guys. So, which of the following VTP modes allow VLANs to be configured on a switch? There are two correct options. I am repeating the question. Which of the following VTP modes allow you to create VLANs on the switch? Client, server, transparent, dynamic. Please raise your hands in 3, 2, 1. All right, Akash seems to be very fast at reacting. It is again Akash who has got it first. So Akash, please answer the question. So we got the reply in the chat again. It's server and transparent, which is again very correct. Good job, guys. Let's continue. Let's lower down the hands and move to the next one.
Now, hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, Akash.
Hello.
Akash, we can hear you. Okay, please lower down
I have
your
an audio.
hand, Charanjit.
Okay, that's fine.
Awesome. Thank you, everyone. All right, let's move to the next question. An engineer configured an OSPF neighbor as a designated router. Which state verifies that the designated router is in proper mode? The first option is init, second option is two-way, third option is exchange, the fourth option is full. Please raise your hands. Take your time to read the question and options, and then raise your hands in 3, 2, 1. We got Akash again. Guys, be good at reacting. I think Akash is going to get the chance of answering all the questions. Yes, Akash, please let us know what is the correct answer.
Option D, full.
Option D, full, which is correct. So the correct state to find a designated router in is full, right? Also,
I think no, I think the answer is two-way. Correct answer is two-way.
no. The designated router is one with whom you are going to maintain a full neighborship. With D are others who are not, you can say, the responsible ones for exchanging routes. They will have a neighborship up to the state two-way. Okay. All right, please lower down your hands and let's move to the next one. Also, Sharanjit, please turn your camera on. All right, the next question is, which type of device will detect but not prevent unauthorized access? Firewall, IPS, IDS, honeypots. Raise your hands. Guys, till the time I don't ask you to raise your hand, please don't react. Also be on mute. If I call your name, then only unmute yourself. Rakesh, please mute yourself. All right. So raise your hands in 3, 2, 1. All right. Okay, I got the hand from Akash again. Yes, Akash.
It's option B, intrusion prevention system.
Okay. So, okay. Akash, that's not the correct one. Next, we have Ravi. Ravi, would you like to answer that?
Firewall.
Okay. Unfortunately, we'll have to move to the next one. Yes, Neeraj, would you like to try?
IDS C.
IDS, that's the correct one. Good job, Neeraj. So when we talk about detection, the device which we use for that is intrusion detection system, IDS, right? No worries. Let's move to the next one. Please lower down your hands. The next question that we have is, which class is the IP address 172.23.23.2 belongs to? Class A, Class B, Class C, or Class D? Which class? You just have to tell the class basically for the IP address. 172.23.23.2. Okay. Rakesh, Neeraj, you have raised your hands. Understand it this way that when I say 3, 2, 1 and you lower down your hand and then you raise it again, so you get at the last, right? So please understand this, guys. Only raise your hand after I say 3, 2, 1. Okay. So I have shared the question in the chat. Raise your hand in 3, 2, 1. Now. Okay. Yes, Akash.
That's class B.
That belongs to class B. So we have the IP 172.23.23.2. So that belongs to class B. Would you like to tell us what is the range of class B?
That's 172.16.0.0 to 172.31.255.255, the entire range.
Are you sure about that?
Oh, I'm so sorry. You're asking of class B, na? I'm so sorry. That's from 128.0.0.0 and it ends up at 191.255 all.
Okay. All right. Let's lower down the hands again. Again, the next question is related to subnets. So if you are good at calculating, don't miss the chance. You have to tell the CIDR notation of a subnet mask. Okay. The subnet mask is 255.255.240.0. What would be the slash value, which we call in the layman language? Slash 19, slash 20, slash 22, 28. What exactly do you think? So raise your hands in 3, 2, 1. Okay, we got it from Neeraj first. Yes, Neeraj.
It's 19.
Slash 19.
Yes.
That's not correct. Let's look to the
No,
next one.
sorry.
Yes,
20,
Salman.
20, 20,
No,
20.
no
20.
second chance. No second chance. Sorry, Neeraj. Yes, Salman.
Plus 20.
Slash 20. Slash 20 is the correct one. Good job. Then again, lower down the hands, please. Okay, which method is used to direct communications to the IP address that is closest to the source? Okay. Unicast, broadcast, multicast, anycast. Which method is used to direct communications to the IP address that is closest to the source? Raise your hands in 3, 2, 1. Yes, Sharanjeet.
Yeah, it is any cast. Option D.
Option D, anycast, which is correct. When we talk
Yes.
about unicast, that's a one-to-one communication. When we talk about broadcast, that's one-to-all. When we talk about a particular group, when we want to talk about a particular group or talk to a particular group, we go for multicast. And then one to closest would be anycast. That's the option number D. Correct. Please lower down your hand, Ravi. Okay, the next one is how many bytes are used in 802.1q frame for tagging of VLANs? Option A 2 bytes, option B 4 bytes, option C 8 bytes, and then D 16 bytes. Raise your hands in 3, 2, 1. Okay, we have Akash as the first hand raiser. So yes, Akash.
The correct answer is option B, 4 bytes.
Very correct. The option number B is the correct answer, which is 4 bytes. Good job. Then let's move to the next one. We are just left with 5 more questions, guys. Be quick at raising and reacting, right? Let's go for the next one. What is the maximum number of interface that can be aggregated with Ether channel using LACP? First option, 2 interfaces. Second option, 8 interfaces. Third, 16 interfaces. And fourth, 4 interfaces. Raise your hands in 3, 2, 1. Okay, Ravi got this first. So yes, Ravi, would you like to try?
8 interfaces, sir.
How many?
8.
8 interfaces.
Yes, sir.
That's not correct. Rakesh?
Total is 16, but configure is 8, sir.
I asked the question and you have to react to the question accordingly. So take one option, 8 or 16.
16, sir.
Okay. So as the question is about the maximum number of interfaces, and maybe you got confused there, you said 8. That's correct. The active are going to be 8 and the remaining 8 are going to be on the standby. But
Yes,
when we talk about the maximum interfaces, that's going to be of 16 interface.
16.
So
16,
cool.
sir.
We'll give this point to Ravi and let's move to the next one. Lower down your hands. Okay, let's talk a bit about routing now. So which mechanism is used for avoiding loops and means that we will not be learning the routes on the interface from which the information has taken the exit. So which routing loop avoidance method is used by the routers to prevent routing updates from exiting an interface in which they have been learned from? Routing to infinity, route poisoning, or hold downs, or the option number D, split horizon. Raise your hands in 3, 2, 1. Sharanjeet?
Yes, it is option B, root poisoning.
Okay, that's not the correct one.
No,
Yes, next we have Neeraj.
D, splits horizon.
Which option?
D.
D. Option D, which is split horizon. That's the correct one. That's the mechanism that routers use for avoiding the loop, which can happen by learning the information on the interfaces from which it has taken the exit, right? So that's split horizon that we use for. All right. Next one is when a static route is made, what is the default AD that is considered for it? 1, 0, 2, 255. Okay, these are the 4 options. Raise your hands in 3, 2, 1. We got the first name as Rakesh. Yes, Rakesh. Yes, Rakesh, let us know what do you think is the correct answer.
0, sir.
Okay, that's not the correct one. Sorry, Rakesh. Better luck in the next one. Next, we have Sharanjeet. So, yes, Sharanjeet,
uh, option 1, AD of 1.
AD of 1.
Option 8.
For the static routes, the
Yes.
AD value is considered as 1. And would you like to tell me what is the, for which particular route AD of 0 is considered?
directly connected route.
Exactly. So for the directly connected networks, we use the AD of 0, and for the static learned routes, we use the AD of 1. All right, we'll go to the next one now. Lower down your hands, please. The question is that you have executed the command show IP route on your router, and you see some routes with an AD value of 90. Which routing protocol do you think these routes are generated from? Option A, IGRP. Option B, OSPF. Option C, EIGRP. Option D, REP. Please raise your hands in 3, 2, 1. All right, we have Akash. So Akash, please let us know.
It's option C, EIGRP.
Option C, EIGRP. For the internal routes, EIGRP uses an AD value of 90. Akash, what is the AD
90.
for external routes?
Externals, I don't remember it right now.
No worries, you
170.
still get the point. That's 170. And this was just for the explanation. So 90 for internal and 170 for external.
Internals, yes.
All right, lower down the hands, move to the next question. We are left with 3 more questions, guys. So the next question is, what method of routing between the VLANs can be used on a layer 3 switch? Option A, interface routing. Option B, router on a stick. Option C, SVI routing, or option D, bridge routing. Raise your hands in 3, 2, 1. First hand is from Sharanjeet. So Sharanjeet, please let us know, what do you think is the correct answer?
Option C, SVI routing.
Option C, SVI routing. That's very correct. When we talk about a layer 3 switch, we use switch virtual interfaces for configuring the routing. All right, the last 2 questions, guys. You want to advertise a network which is 192.168.1.16/28 into OSPF. So what wildcard mask are you going to use with it? 00016, 255, 255, 255, 240, 00015, or 0000240? Raise your hands in 3, 2, 1. We got it from Neeraj first. Yes, Neeraj.
C 0.0.0.15.
Perfect. That's the correct answer. So for the wildcard value, or we can say for the /28, Neeraj, can you first of all tell us what would be the subnet mask for /28?
255.255.255.248.
240. That's correct. And we can calculate the wildcard mask from this particular value, which is going to be 00015. So you have answered it very correctly. Good job on that. All right. The last final question of today. Lower down the hands and be ready to raise your hand very quickly. The question is, what is the default OSPF hello interval in which hello packets are sent out on a multi-access network? 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds. Raise your hands in 3, 2. I'm not going to say 1 if you keep reacting to it. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we got the chance from Rakesh. Yes, Rakesh.
10 seconds.
10 seconds. So the default hello time or the default hello interval for OSPF messages is 10 seconds. Good job. That's the correct one. Great job, everyone. I see many of you tried participating. I was able to see the hands getting raised from all of you, which I really liked. That means that you know the answers. But because we had to react to it very quickly, so you might not be able to get the chance to answer it, right? So after these questions, we have the results in front of us. Any guesses from your end? Who do you think has got the first prize?
Akash.
Akash, right. So he got the chance a lot many times, and fortunately, he answered the questions very correctly. Out of the 15 questions, he was able to answer 6 questions correct. So, congratulations to you, Akash. You have won the first prize, which includes cash prize, some discount, and access to 3 free courses. The cash prize is of 10,000, discount up to 10,000 for 30%, and then free access to CCNA, to Azure Fundamentals, and to CEH version 12. Congratulations to you. Okay, this is going to be the difficult one,
Thank you
right?
so much.
Who do you think has won the second prize? Be confident, guys, at least say
Charanjit?
myself. Okay, we have two contenders for that. We have Mr. Rakesh and Sharanjit. Uh, I'm so sorry, not Rakesh. It's Ravi and Sharanjit. So you have both answered 3 questions correctly. We'll do a quick one more question just between you two. Whosoever raised the hand first gets the chance to answer it. If you answer it correctly, you get the second prize, and the other one will have to compete with the third prize winner. Okay, so let's see who is going to be the second prize winner between Mr. I said Mr. Ravi and Sharanjit, right? So Ravi and Sharanjit, let me know, are you guys ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, the rules are same. You just have to raise the hand. Whosoever raises it first get the chance to answer it, right? And the rest of you can just enjoy the show. So please don't react, okay? The question is, what is the first step of TCP three-way handshake? Sending the SYN message, receiving the SYN message, sending SYN and acknowledgement, or sending acknowledgement. So Ravi and Sharanjit, please raise your hands in 3, 2, 1. Okay, Ravi got it first. Yes, Ravi.
Option C, searching acknowledgement, sir.
Oops,
No,
that's not
that's
correct,
not
Ravi.
correct.
Yes,
Option A,
Sharanjit.
send SYN.
That's the correct one.
Yes.
Sending the synchronization message first is the correct one. So congratulations
Right.
to you, Sharanjit. You have won the second prize. You have got a 7,000 cash reward, 20% discount on PyNet Labs courses up to 10,000 rupees off, and the free access to CCNA 200-301, Azure Fundamentals, and CEH version 12. So Ravi, you still have the chance to win the
Thank
third
you so much.
prize. You'll compete with the third prize winners. Okay. So for the third prize, we have got two names, Mr. Rakesh and Mr. Neeraj. And because Ravi is also one of our winners, so we'll let him compete for the third one as well. So you three have to now compete for one more question so that we can know who is our third winner for today's evening, right? So let's go. Let's listen to the question and be very ready for reacting to the raise hand button. Okay. How frequently do BGP send keep alive messages? Option number A is 30 seconds. Option number B is 60 seconds. Option number C is 80 seconds. Option number D is 180 seconds. The competition is between Mr. Ravi, Mr. Neeraj, and Mr. Rakesh. So, guys, raise your hands in 3, 2, 1. No hands. Okay, we got it from Neeraj. Great, great, perfect. Yes, Neeraj.
30 seconds.
30
Your
seconds.
voice is
That's
breaking,
not the
sir.
correct one. Rakesh.
180 seconds, sir.
That's not.
Can
That's
I
also
change
not the
my?
correct one.
Can
Yes,
I
Ravi.
change 60, 60,
60
60,
seconds.
60.
Ravi, you had the
60,
chance of winning today. I'll tell you, you got the chance of winning the third prize. Luckily,
60.
though you reacted to the raise hand button at the last, but because you have
But
answered the question,
I told you I am not audible, sir.
I'm sorry, but I guess I was audible to others, so maybe the luck was with you. So good
Luck,
job
sir.
on correcting, on answering it correctly. That's the correct one. 60 seconds is the very correct answer, and you have won the third prize, which is 3,000 cash reward, 10% discount on any PyNet Labs course. That is going to be up to 10,000 rupees off, and then also the free access to CCNA 200-301 as your fundamentals course, as well as CEH version 12 course. So congratulations to all the three winners. I'm really glad that you all got the chance to participating into the quiz and you competed so well. It was a healthy competition. Thank you so much, everyone. But yeah, we are not done. We still have few announcements. We have something for the 4th to 10th place winners as well. So the rest of you, I mean, we are not positioning anyone, but yeah, the remaining ones who have got the position number 4, 5th, and 6th are Mr. Rakesh, Mr. Neeraj, and Mr. Salman. And then our other four top finalists are Pawan, Abdul, Sughel, and Sayan. So you all six have again won free access to our CCNA 200-301, as well as free access to Azure Fundamentals, as well as a free access to CEH version 12 course. So other than the cash prize and the additional discounts, you are also getting the free access to all the three courses. So that's the end to the quiz. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm so glad that we were able to execute it well. Congratulations to all the winners and everyone who have participated. This was an
Sir, who is the
incredible experience, and I want to thank each and every one of you who participated and also those who have cheered for the finalists. So yeah, if you
who,
didn't win today, then
hello, sir?
remember,
Who,
yes, Ravi.
who is the third position, sir?
Third position is Mr. I guess it's you only, Ravi. Why are you questioning that?
Okay, actually my voice is not breaking, sir.
Okay, your voice is a little breaking. Yeah, I guess there is
Yes,
some network issues from your end.
yes, yes, sir.
So yeah, I was saying that if you didn't win today, don't worry at all. As you know, it's a monthly quiz. It's going to happen every month. Get the chance to participate in the next one, and then maybe you might be the one who wins the grand finale of 2026, right? And like I said earlier, we'll keep on improving. We'll try making the competition more interesting and more exciting for all of you. And those who are watching us and those who participated in it, good job again. And if you like such events, if you like this video, then do react to the video, do like this video, subscribe to our channel, and also let us know in the comments if you participated and how was your experience with it. So I'll see you all maybe in the next one next month. And yeah, till then, keep learning, keep networking. May the best one always wins. And thank you so much again for giving your time. That's all from my end. Thank you, guys. You can now drop the call.
Thank you.
Also, one more last thing, the team will be contacting you for the cash transfers and your rewards. So we'll get to you as soon as possible for that, right? Thank you again. Bye bye. See you in the next one.
Hello, sir.
Thank you.
Hello,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah.
Again, three winner, please name it, sir. First, second, third.
First one is Mr. Akash. Then
Okay.
second one is, I believe, Sharanjeet. Then the third one is you, Ravi.
Oh,
I think you are enjoying that you got the third prize, so you want me to announce it again and
right,
again.
right, sir.
All right, with that, thank you so much. And for the prizes, like I said, the team will be contacting you. Thank you, guys. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you, Chirag. Thank you, Chirag. Thank you.
Yep.
So I really enjoyed the quiz.
Perfect. I'm glad to know that.
Thanks.